Hi everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of Ian.is.weird. Today, sorry if I'm a little slow, I just woke up. Today, we are doing the final tally for the auction, and I'm gonna start sending stuff out, gonna start giving addresses out to those who donated so that they can give give their prizes away. I just wanted to come on and say we had a great auction. Thank you all so much for participating. I keep on confusing this orange for my hair. So, thank you so much for participating. We made it really fun. I know it was really long. I don't know how to make it shorter in the future. So if you have any advice on how it could have gone better, including like the order of picture items, like should I have done big to small, small to big, all that stuff, please let me know. So we we raised over $350 for the Club Q charity. And this is so awesome and so exciting. And I'm just thrilled beyond reason. This is a great turnout. People were really active, and I just loved seeing everyone. Like, it was great to see everyone, great to feel that community, and we raised $350, more than $350. So it was really great, and I think that this is definitely something we can do in the future. We'll wait a while. We're not going to burn out everyone, by doing it, twice a week or something crazy like that. But I think this is great. And I think this is a great way to give to charity and to get a wonderful crocheted item. There is one person that is out, I haven't received a screenshot of their donation. I'm going to try to find that person during the week, and if I can't, we will, I don't know, I don't know what we'll do. If you have any advice, give me advice. But yeah, so, just make sure I have your address and your payment. Like I said, it's just one person, so make sure that we get that. So I hope you all enjoyed this very short video, and I will talk to you later.